Okay, so there are lots of different options available to you if you want to record your screen on a Mac. I'm going to show you one of those options today, and maybe it will give you some ideas for how you can present some content to kids, whether that's a PDF, a Google slide deck, a website, or some other kind of digital file that you want to share with students. So I'm going to start off by opening a program that's installed on all Macs already, and that's the Quicktime Player. So if I just start typing that into my search bar here, this type of window will open up here. But I'm going to go to the top left hand corner here and click File and come down to where it says New Screen Recording and click that. A window will appear like this on your screen here, and we've got two options here down in the toolbar at the bottom here. We've got Record Selected Portion, or we've got Record Entire Screen. So this is the selected portion area, which I can move around the screen as I want. I can resize to make it the size I want, or just for simplicity today, I'm going to record my entire screen, so I'm going to click this button right here. Under the options menu, I've got some choices here of what I can do while I am recording. Choose where I'm going to save this to. So let's say I'm going to save it to the desktop. I can choose a countdown timer just to get me ready for my screencast. So I'll choose 5 seconds here. Then I will make sure that I am using my microphone on my Mac. So make sure this is selected if you want to record your microphone. And last but not least, down here in the options, we've got Show Floating Thumbnail, remember last selection. But I like this one here that says Show the Mouse Clicks, because every time you click on the page, you'll see a halo appear around the mouse, and it helps guide people around to where you are. So once I've got all that selected here, I'm going to go ahead and click the record button, and you'll see a 5-second timer countdown on the screen here. So right now my Mac is recording everything on my screen, everything I do on my screen, and everything I say as I am talking. So let's open a website, navigate around, and see what that looks like. So here I am on the Grantwood AEA website. I can scroll through here, I can click on links here, I can come up and navigate to different parts of the website, and this is all being recorded inside the Quicktime Player. Once I get done with my recording and I'm ready to stop and save my recording, I come up here to the toolbar. You can see there's a dot up here in the corner with a stop sign. I'm just going to click that one there. It instantly opens my recording for me inside of a QuickTime window here. And there's one or two options I could take advantage of at this point if I wanted to. So if I come up here to the edit menu, I can come down here to where it says trim, and so you'll see something here that looks similar to when you're trimming a movie on an iPhone or an iPad. You have these yellow bars on either side of your video here where you can pull it in from either end to trim the beginning and end of your clip. So let's say you weren't quite ready for recording and it was starting recording before you were realizing it, you can trim out that part at the beginning. So what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to trim the start of my video so that it starts when I get to the Grantwood website. So right here is exactly where I want it. Then I come over to the bottom right hand corner and I click the blue trim button. My video has now been shortened down to just 40 seconds, and once I am ready to save my video, I can come up here to File and click Save. It's going to offer me the chance to title my video. I'll just call it Video 1, save it to my desktop, and then click Save. My screencast is now done, so I can close this window, close my browser, and you will see it here on my desktop, ready for me to upload to Google Drive and share on the internet. So just a very quick way of making a screen recording on a Mac. You open the QuickTime Player, you come up to File, New Screen Recording, and it's going to open the screen recording window here. There is no upper limit on the recording length of the video you make with QuickTime, but be considerate of the students and think about their attention span in as far as how long your video will actually be.